Hey, what's up, everyone? It's your pal Oliver is awesome back here again, and today we have this song playing in my song player. I don't know if that's what it's called, but that's what I'm going to call it. Anyway, welcome back to some more Animal Forest Puzzle World, but I haven't even loaded up the game yet because I need to show you this. I have a second floor in my house. Yes! We officially have a second floor, which is my bedroom, and it has bedroom things in it. Bed, two sitting arrangements, a game shelf, and of course, the device we are going to be playing Animal Forest Puzzle World on. It's a new Entrust Sky Company 3DS. Do you want to play some Animal Forest Puzzle World? Yes, I want to play that. We are back again and with this colourful logo. Yep. I'll just agree to whatever that said. I think that means from the continuation, but I don't play this game often. If you just want to point that out, I don't play this game very often. I'm not even gonna lie, I actually think this is kind of a neat little side quest to the Animal Forest universe. Like, I don't know how many games implement this, but it's a pretty good side quest. I like it a lot. Well, I like what I'm playing. I've already beaten this game once, and I do like it a lot, but I don't really play it often because it's definitely crazy to be classified as an Animal Forest game. Like, definitely too crazy, but it's still a neat little side quest, I guess. Right. There we go. Oh yeah, I forgot to say, last time we defeated the previous mayor, and I believe we're on our way to becoming the official town mayor of this game. I don't exactly know what our goal is here. Sorry. Right, I don't know what that cough was all about. My body's just against me at the moment, like it often is. Right. Da 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 da. Alright. Okay. Okay, I think I might have just about avoided the agonizing feeling of loss. Oh, the agony. Wow. Well, I don't think we came close to losing just then, guys, but I think we were pretty close. Like, I think we nearly lost. Like, I'm sorry if what I'm saying doesn't make sense. I've had a long day. Right. Right. Hmm. Right. Oh yeah, we need to get 100%, like 100 points in like 2 minutes in the second boss, so we'll have fun with that. Yeah, it's kind of like the dreaded day 2 of the town where you have to get like 100% of the approval rating of all the citizens, like literally 100%, but they do mercifully start you off at 60 something percent, like as you can see there. But we've obviously gone up since then. I don't know if it's 60% on the dot, it probably is, but they do start you off at 60 mercifully, so they do have mercy. Because things do get quite het up and crazy here. Right. Now, as the old mayor kindly explained, I'm assuming this doesn't change our mayoral status in, like, the main town, like the main game. What? Like, one bit, so we should be fine. Alright, there we go. We beat ya. Alright, that was nothing. But just you wait till the later battles. Things are going to get much harder over time. I have to go against 2 wrestlers here. Right. If I defeat this guy, is he going to move out? Right, well. I don't want to fight this guy, so we're just going to go back to the title. Alright guys, that's going to do it for part 2 of Animal Forest Puzzle World, so thank you guys for watching, see you guys next time, and it looks like in the next episode we are going to be facing off against another wrestler. So thank you guys for watching, comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.